In this question, first of all, we have to draw a mind map. A cinnamon exporting company lastly exported from the products of cinnamon 2/7 to Europe and 1/3 to North America. What fraction of the total stock of cinnamon exported to Europe and North America? Okay, Europe and North America. Before starting to do that, you should draw a small mind map. This is our cinnamon company, total company. From that, 2/7 portion exported to Europe. Okay, this is for Europe. And then after 1/3 to North America. 1/2, 3 for North America. And after that, there is a remaining also. Okay, after that, there is a remaining as well. This total cinnamon exporting company exporting the total stock amongst that 2/7 to Europe, 1/3 to North America. So you should find the remaining as well. Okay, remaining as well. First, let's answer our first question. What fraction of the total stock of cinnamon was exported to Europe and North America? From the total, 2/7 portion to Europe and 1/3 to North America. So you should add these two things. While addition, these two are different denominated fractions. So you should multiply this fraction by next denominator and next fraction by previous denominator. So it will become 21/6 plus 7/21. Then we have to add these two things. 21 remains as a common denominator in numerators. 6 plus 7, that would be 13. That would be 13. Okay, these two became 13. So the remaining would be, okay, by using that, I'll find the remaining as well. From 21 portion, from the 21, 13 was sold, okay, exported to Europe and North America. So the remaining from 21, when you subtract this 13, that will give you 8 portion. Okay, 8 portion. This is for Europe, this is North America, this is the remaining. How I found the remaining? According to the denominator, 13 portions already sold. Remaining would be 21 minus 13, that would be 8/21. Next, let's continue. If 1/4 of the remaining stock, yeah, that's why I found the remaining. Here they are talking about the remaining. No? From the remaining, 1/4 portion, 1/4 portion of the remaining stock was released to domestic market. Okay, this is for domestic market. Domestic market. And after release to domestic market also, there is another remainder as well. Okay, let's conclude that one as balance. Okay, balance. We have to find the balance as well. According to these two, we found the remaining previously. From the remaining, if the 1/4 of the remaining stock of the remaining means from the remaining, you should split that as twice. Domestic 1/4 balance. From 4 portions, 1 belongs to domestic. So from 4, remaining 3. Okay, the balance 3 belongs to that remains as a balance as it is. Okay, as a balance as it is. Then let's answer to the question. 1/4 of the remaining stock was released to domestic market. What fraction of the total cinnamon stock was released to domestic market? What fraction of the total cinnamon stock released to domestic market? For that, okay, from the cinnamon, there is a remaining portion. From the remaining, there is a portion was released to domestic purposes. Okay, for the domestic market. So you should multiply these two fractions. Remaining first, we found cinnamon, total cinnamon stock to remaining, then remaining to domestic usage. So 8/21 of 1/4 of means multiplication. Okay, multiplication 8/21 multiplied with 1/4. Here you can simplify these two things. 8 and 4 can be simplified 1 time, 2 times. Then after 1 2s are 2, 21 ones are 21. Okay, this is the amount of total stock was released to domestic market. Okay, then our next question, that would be the remaining quantity of cinnamon was stored after exporting and releasing it to local market. What fraction of the total stock was stored? Okay, the remaining quantity of cinnamon was stored after exporting and releasing. Okay, after exporting And after releasing, after exporting and after releasing, there is another remaining portion as well. No? Here we indicated that one as balance. Okay, we have indicated it as balance. They are talking about the balance. The remaining quantity of cinnamon was stored. This is stored. Okay, I'll raise this and indicate it as stored amount of stored cinnamon. Stored, stored. Okay. After exporting and releasing total to the local market, what fraction of the total stock was stored? Okay, stored. What's the total fraction was stored? From the total cinnamon, we need to come to remaining. From the remaining, 3 upon 4. Okay, from the remaining only, this was, there's a branch splitting over here. No? From the remaining, 3 upon 4 was stored. So, remaining 8 upon 21 multiplied by the stored portion 3 upon 4. So we have to simplify this. 8 and 4 can be simplified 1 time, 2 times, 21 and 3 as well. Simplified 1 time, 7 times. So 1 2s are 2, 2 upon 1 7s are 7. Okay, this is the total amount of quantity that remains as stored. After exporting and releasing, this is the stored amount of cinnamon as well, 2 upon 7. Then final question, if the mass of cinnamon exported to North America 42 tons, more than the mass of cinnamon stored, the total mass of the cinnamon produced in this year. Okay, let's answer the question. If the mass of cinnamon exported to North America is 42 tons more than mass of cinnamon stored. Okay, they are comparing. Okay, they are comparing the amount of cinnamon exported to North America, that is 1 upon 3. Okay, that would be 1 upon 3. I write the answer here. Okay, I'll write the answer here. 1 upon 3. That's the amount. That is equals to, okay, that is equals to the stored amount. We found this one as 2 upon 7. I'll read the caption again. The mass of cinnamon exported to North America is 42 tons more than, okay, 42 tons more than mass of the cinnamon, 42 tons more than the cinnamon. So with that you should add 42. Okay, when you add 42, this is the equalizing factor. Okay, I'll read the caption once more as well. Cinnamon exported to North America. Okay, this is the North American amount of cinnamon was exported, 1 upon 3. That's equals, that is more than 42 tons more than mass of cinnamon stored. We found the mass of cinnamon was stored, that is 2 upon 7. With that, okay, more than 42 means with that you should add. More than means greater than. Okay, you should add that. If they were indicated less than, you should subtract. Okay, so 1 upon 3 equals to 2 upon 7 plus 42 plus 42. This is the way you should um, get the equation according to the given data. I'll give you the idea. Okay, 1 upon 3 equals to 2 upon 7 plus 42. By using that, how can we find the total? Okay, there is an idea. You should bring these two fractions to one side. Okay, fractions to one side. So 1 upon 3 minus 2 upon 7 minus 2 upon 7, that's equals to 42. That's equals to 42. You should subtract these two. Okay, you should subtract these two fractions. Before subtracting, you should equalize the denominator. For that, I'll multiply this denominator by 7. This fraction should be multiplied by 3. Okay, likewise, you should subtract. I'll do the continuation of this one over here. Okay, so 1 upon 3 equals to 2 upon 7 plus 42. Okay, the amount of cinnamon exported to North America, that was the 42 tons more than the amount of cinnamon was stored. So accordingly, 1 upon 3 minus 2 upon 7, that will give you 7 over 21 minus 6 upon 21. This is equals to 42 tons. This is equals to 42 tons according to the given data. So we can subtract this 21 over that we have 1. We have 1. That's equals to 42 tons. Okay, 42 tons. Accordingly, just look at this. This one portion is indicating 42 tons. One portion of the total quantity is indicating 42 tons. Now our question is to find the total. What is the total amount of cinnamon was produced on that year? To find that, you should multiply this 21 into 42. 21 should be multiplied by 42. Okay, what we did, there are two fractions that's equals to 42. So we have subtracted and got our simplest fraction as 1 upon 21. The numerator is indicating 42 tons. That means one portion belongs to 42 tons. Denominator indicates the total now. So what's our total? 21 times 42. That would be equals to 882 tons. Okay, totally on that year, 882 tons of cinnamon was produced by that particular company. Okay, I think I have discussed kind of questions in previous term as well. Okay, I think you remember these things.